Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Cab Calloway featuring the Dirt Dog. With the worst, I be sticking pins in your head like a broken nurse. I'll attack any nigga who's slacking this Mac. Come to you back with the fat folks. The heat is on, I'm about to blow up the spot. All I wanna see is fire, so I'm making shit hot. Like the road with swing blocks, that niggas I shot. Give a fuck out of cop, I stay with a lot. Down that to the top, 600 and rock. Crazy as a ball, trying to rock for now. Zero out for Gino War. Trying to score, man, don't know for the billion and more. It's a million for more, therefore I saw. It's all about that nothing. I'm alone, I roll with stick, who's known as the guy tapping phones on the Benjamin Stone. In the load from the spot, because of my pop. 50 pills in the top, who can be no pop. Oh, fuck. Elevator scheme with the scheme to catch cream, some diamond rings, use all types of prices things. Just in case you don't make it to the safe, don't talk to Jakes or your whole shit. Be late, got a bomb already to blow up the White House. Be quiet as a mouse, my job is on the boot. Better know the scoop. Got niggas on the grounds and your walls and your roof about me.
Who am I, Mason?
Was it impossible loop? I'm unstoppable, my six-man team is unstoppable. Think about little figure at you. Living in America. When I was young, some say I had no sense. I rhymed all day until my soul got tense. And brought a lot of change from my lungs to my knees. In the winter I caught all summer.
Hey, what's your name?
Go!